Warts are different from bumps and pimples and can be transmitted through sexual contact. Most people will live with these types of warts for years without showing symptoms and think it's normal. Warts and the genital area can cause cervix cancer, and also pregnant mothers can pass it on to their baby. Always consult a doctor if this should happen to you or happening to you. Common warts are grainy skin growth that occur most time on the fingers or hands. It is rough to touch, full of blood clots. Common warts can caused by virus or transmitted by touch. While some types of wart can use home remedy and laser to remove, it is best to seek medical advice before doing so. Hair bumps are different. Here are some remedies to help you. If you don't see result in 2 weeks, consult your doctor. When the body is fighting bacteria, wart will show up on your skin or boil. Follow these home remedies. Tea tree oil has antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral properties with healing of wounds, properties that may help treat warts. How to use: add salt to warm water and use it to clean where the wart is. Then apply tea tree oil directly on the wart 2 times daily. Use the same application for hair bumps. Hair bumps on the pubic area will itch and can get irritated. It can be very unpleasant to see when sweat and can cause discomfort. This can cause from using the wrong razor or because the person don't shave hair off on time. I recommend waxing the area. Waxing may seem to be painful to many, but there are other hair removal on the market that is not painful. You can also try home remedy wax. If this is happening to you, wear clothes that don't make you sweat. Keep area clean. This will help to reduce itching, especially in public places. Before you put on your clothes, rub freshly cut aloe vera gel. Allow to dry. It will not give a smell after it's dry, and then get dressed. This not just stop sweating and itching. It helps to dry up irritation and get rid of the hair bumps. Ingrown hair irritates your skin, cause pus and smell. Facial ingrown hair are common for men but can easily be prevented. When a man understands his type of hair and texture, then he will be better able to stop himself from having to deal with facial hair and the opening of his pores. There are two things to identify your hair type, your skin type. Let's start with your hair type. You have straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, and kinky hair. For the skin type, you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, and normal skin. Sensitive skin can come from either of these, as one don't know what will react in a sensitive way unless by a professional or something an individual used before. As I will always recommend, always seek medical attention. How to avoid this? If your skin is soft, meaning oily skin, and your hair is curly, kinky or wavy, it's likely will have this problem if you don't shave every day. Your skin is soft and your hair is curly, kinky or wavy, it is likely you will have these type of problem if you don't shave every day. Dark skinned people have curly hair, kinky and wavy hair. Sometimes this type of hair can be rough on the skin and also grow in cluster. The use of tea tree oil will help after cleansing. Get regular facial, shave daily, and stay away from oily food. Also, avoiding using product with alcohol. Dry skin. After removing hair without steaming and closing back the pores, this can leave open pores in your face, which will later cause blackheads and cause your face to look coarse and dry. Don't squeeze bump without steaming or the use of warm rag to open pores. For both types skin, the uses of aloe vera, tea tree oil can get rid of these discomforting and pleasant look. Bonus recipe. After cleansing your face, use 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon baking soda in warm water, 1 part honey, 1 part nutmeg, 1 part turmeric, 3 drops tea tree oil. Make a paste, no water should be added, and leave on your face for 20 minutes. If your face needs to be tweezed, do it first. Use primrose oil for moisturizer. If you can't get the oil, buy the pill and burst it and use it. I hope you like this video. If you would like to see a tutorial and the facial recipe, please comment below.